Hey guys, Claudio here from Innova Heating Co. And today I have a special guest. I have Anthony Gennaro from Innova Power, and he's going to show us how to wire up this duplex stacked high-low switch, which will operate your Innova heater. One thing I can recommend, this is the only thing I really know, is make sure you shut the power off.
So this box here, I already have it pre-wired that the line side coming from your power source and the load side coming from your power source. What I did already was I connected the ground wire to the ground screw inside the box and connected all the wires together. Next, I will connect the line 2 wires or the red wires with the wire nut. Now with this high-low switch, you got to make sure that this tab is reattached, and the gold screws are the load side and the black is the line side. So this line side is going to get attached to the black wire. And the 2 load black wires here are going to get attached to one of the gold screws. And the last load wire is going to get attached to the other gold screw. And then you close it up.
Thank you, Anthony. So this is how you wire up a duplex stacked high-low switch. And from this point on, now you hook it up to the heater, and look out for that video as well. I want to also remind you that you should always hire a professional certified electrician to install your Innova heaters.